This Buick LaCrosse boasts a gas V6 3.6-liter/217 engine powering this automatic transmission. Cruise control, transmission, 8-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive includes driver shift control, STD, sunshade, power, rear. This Buick LaCrosse comes equipped with these options. Sun and shade package includes CEU, tilt sliding power panoramic moonroof and DB3, power rear sunshade. Sights and sounds package includes IO6, Buick IntelliLink radio with navigation and UQS. Bose Centerpoint surround sound. Dynamic driver package includes Q7Q, 20 aluminum alloy wheels, RAL, P245/40R20 all-season, black wall tires, F45, chassis continuously variable real-time damping, UJC, sport mode selective TN, GNB, front hyper strut suspension. Driver confidence package number 2 includes UFQ, automatic park assist, UKJ, front pedestrian detection, UGN, front automatic braking and KSG, adaptive cruise control. Premium preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, moonroof, power, panoramic, LPO, cargo tray, black, dealer installed, front automatic braking, engine, 3.6 liters V6, DI, VVT with cylinder deactivation, 310 horsepower, 231 kilowatts, at 6,800 revolutions per minute, 282 pounds-to-foot of torque, 383 Nm, at 5,200 revolutions per minute. STD, engine block heater. Stop by today, test drive this must-see, must-drive, must-own beauty and get a hassle-free deal today at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3.